If you want to change the language on the OneDrive interface, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to switch OneDrive into your preferred language, so everything looks easier to understand and more comfortable to use. This is a simple setting change, but it can make a big difference if your OneDrive appears in the wrong language or if you just want to personalize your experience. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. All right, let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can go directly to OneDrive and wait for the page to load. Once it opens, sign in with your Microsoft account if you're not already signed in. Make sure you use the correct account, especially if you have more than one Microsoft account, because the language setting needs to be changed on the account you actually use. After you're signed in, look for the first Settings option. On OneDrive, settings may appear in the interface depending on your layout, so take a moment to locate the main settings area. Once you find it, click the first Settings option to access the available preferences. This is where OneDrive keeps customization options like language, display, and other account-related settings. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This icon is usually used to open the full settings panel, and it's the key place to manage interface preferences. If you don't see it right away, scan the top right area carefully because it can sometimes blend in with other icons. Once the settings panel opens, select Language. This option controls the display language of the OneDrive interface, so this is the exact setting we need. After clicking Language, OneDrive will show you a list of available languages. Take your time here and scroll through the list if needed until you find the language you want. Now choose your preferred language from the list. If you're changing OneDrive because it's currently difficult to read, pick the language that feels most natural for you. This will update menus, labels, and interface text so you can navigate OneDrive more comfortably. If you're using OneDrive for work or school, it can also help keep everything consistent with your other Microsoft apps. After selecting the language, click Save. This step is important because it confirms your choice and applies the update to your OneDrive account. Once you save it, OneDrive will refresh and the interface language should change automatically. Depending on your browser or session, you may need to reload the page or sign out and back in for the change to appear everywhere. And that's it. Your OneDrive interface language has now been changed. It's a quick process, but once you know where to find it, it becomes very easy to repeat whenever you need it. If the video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.